welcome to episode 1 of my brand new show. It's called Licious. Anyway, I'm in my office, as you can see, my pretty flowers. And yeah, so this is the introduction. I've already pre-recorded the show and you'll see it very soon. So stay tuned in. Thanks for watching. And yeah, love you guys heaps. Keep watching, please. Alright, see you soon. Bye. Hey guys. Okay, I'm back. And so I've got all the ingredients out here, laid out and prepared, ready to go. Oh, not prepared. They're laid out, so I'm going to go through them with you. Now, what we have in our Mongolian beef, right here. See that? Yeah, lovely. Now there's a pound or 500 gram of steak, which you can get like stir fry steak, whatever. But I got some Wagyu beef because I like tasty stuff. And moving on, we've got half a cup of soy sauce. Now that's a low sodium soy sauce. We've got 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. And then over here, we've got half a teaspoon of minced ginger. And here we have 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And then here we have 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. And over here is half a cup of water. Now there's also some corn flour or cornstarch, which I think half a cup. Yeah, half a cup of corn flour. And 2, well, I'm just using 2. And some spring onion for garnish. And then right behind me, just back here, I've got some rice on the go here, my trusty little rice cooker. So anyhow, there's the ingredients for the dish. Now I'm just going to show you all how to put it together, I suppose. Let me see. I think that's it. I'm just like running through the no, it's fun. So okay, let's get on to the preparation stage. All right, be right with you. Okay folks, so I have taken the steak and I have sliced it up, like you can see. It's like a stir fry steak. And then it was a 1/4 cup of corn flour starch that we're going to use, or corn flour or cornstarch, and that was for 500 grams of steak. Alright, so and we just basically throw that in there, and we're going to toss that through and set it aside. Okay, and now I'll move on to the next bit. Okay, so we've got our spring onions and chops. Alright, so I've got my trusty wok here, and I'm just going to put this onto a low medium heat. And we're going to throw in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, so that goes in, and then we're taking our garlic and we're going to throw that in, followed by our ginger as well. So the ginger goes in like so, and we're going to saute this for 2 minutes. Okay, I probably should have preheated the oil a little before I put it in there, but I personally, I don't really like to burn the herbs or spices or anything that goes in, you know. So anyway, so we're going to saute that for 2 minutes. Okay, so now the saute is finished. We're going to add our soy sauce to the mixture. Yeah, lovely. Like so. And the water goes in. Voila. And we're going to stir to combine here. Beautiful. It's looking nice. And now we're going to add our brown sugar. And that goes in like so. We're going to increase it to a medium heat now, and we're going to boil this for about 3 minutes. This will be on the stove. Then we're going to set it aside, remove it from the heat and set the sauce aside. So it's about 3 minutes. Folks, so the kids have just been out the front, like doing a water slide on the pavers out the front and having a bit of fun. They've come back inside to like to hassle me and check them out. You gonna say hi?
Hi.
This is Noah. And check these two little rascals out. They're playing. Opposites day.
Look, I'm gonna spin. See my leg?
So yeah, that's what they're up to.
Dad,
Anyway, hey, I told you I might bring you back in halfway through the show. So there you go. Oh, what do you want to say?
Can you stop it?
Yeah.
Dada.
All right.
Bye bye.
Okay. So now, folks, we are adding our 1/3 cup of oil into our pan here, and we're going to heat this up, right, for till it's just under the boil. Okay, so I'll let that heat up and I shall be right back. Okay, so now our oil is nice and hot. We're going to take our steak and we're throwing that in. Now this here, we're basically just frying it for a couple of minutes so that it's not cooked on the inside. So about 2 minutes, we're going to pull it out, do it in batches till it's all done. Okay, so now all the steak is done and set aside. Where we've got our pan here, which we've just put this back onto a medium heat, all right, folks, and the sauce that we made earlier is going straight back in there. We're going to let this heat up, okay? So, like, we'll give it, 30 seconds to heat back up, 30 seconds to a minute, whatever. And then I'll be right back as soon as this is heated up, okay? Talk to you soon. All right, so here we go. You can see our sauce is bubbling away there nicely. And so our steak goes straight back in like so. And we're just going to mix this around. Basically, what's going to happen here, the cornstarch is going to mix with the sauce and it's going to cause it to thicken. And it's going to finish the cooking process for the steak itself. So with this steak, I'm going to do 3 minutes because I've cut it pretty thin. But depending how thick your steak is, so you 3 to 5 minutes or whatever, just till your steak is cooked through and that sauce will be thickened up and that will be good to go. Anyhow, I will see you in a few moments, folks. Folks, all right, the dish is complete. So I've just assembled it and here it is here. Ta-da! So we have our lovely Mongolian beef running away. Thank you, my darling. My wonderful daughter. Oh my God, what are you doing? Ah! But you can check it out there. Doesn't that look yummo? Oh my God. Here, it is so. It's delicious.
No, it's a butthole.
Anyway, so that's it from us, folks. So, yeah, I hope you're all staying safe. And yeah, I hope everything's going well in your life. All right. Thanks heaps for tuning in. And I really hope that you enjoy my show and that you continue to watch. And yeah, I look forward to catching up. Seeing you folks again next time for the next episode. All right. So, yeah, hey, I'm really looking to expand my audience. So please do share like, thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, tell your friends. That'd be awesome. Love you heaps. And I'll see you next time. That's it from Delicious. Bye.